Now that your saxophone is assembled, let's go over how to hold it. While the saxophone might seem complicated at first, your saxophone has two helpful features to guide your hands: thumb rests and pearled keys. You'll find two thumb rests on your saxophone, one which sits above the neck strap loop and is shaped like a circle, and one below which looks like a curved hook. The number of pearled keys varies between saxophones, but there are always 6 main pearls to guide your fingers. Let's look at each hand separately. Left hand. Place your thumb on the top thumb rest at a 45-degree angle, with the tip of your thumb resting gently on this key. Let your hand curl into a relaxed C shape and place your index, third, and fourth fingers on the main 3 largest pearls at the front. Your pinky finger will naturally rest on this small key below. Got it? Great, let's add your right hand. Right hand. Hook your right hand thumb underneath the lower thumb rest. Again, curl your hand into a C shape and rest your index, third, and fourth fingers on the lower 3 pearls. Your pinky finger will rest on the top key beneath the pearls. Try and keep your fingers relaxed and avoid any sideways pressure on nearby keys. Once your hands are in place, form your embouchure and try making a sound. Remember, your saxophone comes to you, not the other way around. If the mouthpiece feels too low, adjust your neck strap so the tip lines up with your lips. Let's practice this in the next exercise.